Hey there, Crunchified Clean friends. Here's some tips on how to clean a stove. First and foremost, always make sure you're using the correct cleaner for a stovetop. You can't just use any old cleaner on stainless steel, especially. You have to know what you're using so that you don't ruin the surface. Second of all, remove any physical debris, any chunks of food, any dry food. Just wipe it off, vacuum it off, take it off with your fingers. Remove any physical debris that you're able to remove. Next thing I like to do is spray it down. My Thieves cleaner, my all-purpose plant-based cleaner, pH neutral, safe on all surfaces. Let me know if you want to know how to get it at a discounted price. I can hook you up. Then I use my awesome microfiber wholesale scrubber. It's a scrubber on one side and a cloth on the other, and it's machine washable. I can get you a discount on that too. And I scrub it down. Here's a tip to prevent scratches. Always make sure your surface is wet. Wet your sponge, wet your scrubber, wet the surface. Wet, wet, wet. Wet prevents scratching. You don't want to clean something dry. You want to clean it when it's nice and damp and wet. So you clean it nice and good, and then I go and I use a cloth and I dry it off. And there you have it. Nice, crunchified, clean stovetop. No scratches. Smells great. No grease, no grime. Looks beautiful and crunchified clean. Message me for more information. Check down my links down below for any discounts and sales and specials. And I'm going to hook you up. Check out my website and my Amazon shop.com/Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy on my Amazon shop or my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, for more awesome cleaning tips and tricks, and my YouTube and my TikTok and my Instagram, all over the place. All right, guys, stay crunchified clean. Peace.